Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this quick video. 1080p 30 frames per second with the Motorola One Zoom attached to my iAudi Easy One Touch 2 smartphone dash mount. There might be a little bit of extra shakiness coming from the mount. Hopefully not a lot of rattling. We don't want to see any focus hunting. Well, a little bit is okay. That's passable. But a lot of focus hunting. We don't want to see that jello effect. Extra shakiness beyond the fact that the iAudi Easy One Touch 2 tends to shake a little. But we don't want to see anything outside of that. So just let me know how everything looks visually. 1080p 30 frames per second with the Motorola One Zoom. First video test. Audio quality, 3 mics. Audio should be really, really good. Should be great. So let me know how everything looks. It's cloudy out. There's a little bit of blue sky up there. There's a lot of trees around here. So when I drive underneath those trees, it'll get a little dark here and there. And depending on the direction that I'm driving, it can tend to get a little darker or a little bit brighter. Yeah, I'm out and about taking pictures so I can kick out some pic comparisons with my other smartphones. Motorola One Zoom is going to challenge some of my other devices. Got some pic slideshows coming your way. First video test, 1080p 30 frames per second front facing cam of the Motorola One Zoom. Let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds. I'm going to roll down the windows really quick here, get some outdoor noise. And I'm going to be turning here in just a moment. A lot of traffic. A lot of traffic. Hopefully they'll let me turn in here. All right, that's it. See, it just got dark there because I just went underneath a bunch of trees there, and it should happen right here as well. A little bit. All right, thanks for watching. Peace. God bless. I am out. Till my next video. I am my Project 13. You are Team My Project 13. Peace.